Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to go over how to add a bonded connection onto a Synology Diskstation. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you go in here to Control Panel, you click Network Interface, and then you will have your LAN options here. If you had more than two, then you could, of course, add those into this group when we make it. So we're going to go ahead and click Create Bond. Adaptive load balancing is what we want to use. And then you will have LAN 1, 2. And then, of course, if you had the other ones, you could click all those in here. We don't have anything plugged into them right now, so there's no point in adding them. So we can say Next. We're going to do manual configuration. So we're going to do 10.0.0.53, and then our gateway 1.1.1.1, and then you can go ahead and say apply. This will then tell you that you're going to lose all of your firewall rules if you had them set up per port, because they're going to be created or merged into a new port. So we'll say yes, and then it will say saving, and then applying network settings. And then, of course, because we are on the old IP, this is going to end up breaking at some point, our connection. So we'll just go ahead and let this kind of go. You can see that the bar is moving. It then auto-forwarded us to the correct IP. As you can see up at the top, we are on the 5.3 IP. Okay, and there we go. We are now on the new IP. If you go over to network interface, you can see that we have the bond. You can do the drop down arrow. You can see that our network status is now at 2000 megabytes per second, and we have the full duplex, so it can do load balancing now and increase our total overall network traffic. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a like, hit the subscribe button followed by the bell icon, leave us a comment down below, and don't forget to share it, and we will see you next time.